So when one length of the fabric is shorter than the other and it needs more fabric strip added to it, this is how I do it. I make sure that the fabric rope is tight, and I keep it tight by adding a clip here. I put it right along the area where I finished making the last twine. Now I take the short tail of the fabrics and I take this and I'm going to lay it right inside of it, just like that. And then I'm going to lay over the left side and then the right side, just like that. And now I'm going to twist away from me, not over tightening to where it starts coiling on itself. Then I'll take the longer length of fabric and give it 2 twists, and then I'm going to take the one where I just added fabric and bring it towards with the other fabric underneath. That's why I don't twist it too much, because it just becomes untwist. But this one is still twisted, the one that has the new fabric added. So that's the one that's most important to me. Then I twist this longer length of fabric, and then I bring it over. And the one that I added the new fabric to is under, and I'm holding on to it. And then, since this has got a couple of twists towards, since this has a couple of twists on it, I can just bring the other one towards me again. And then pull opposite sides to make sure that it's nice and tight. It is. I'll give this longer fabric another twist and bring it over. And the new attached fabric goes underneath, and I'm holding it with my thumb and my index. I'm going to twist it. 1, 2, bring it back over, tuck under the longer length of fabric, and just keep repeating it. Okay, and now I can take this off here. The newly twisted fabric is done, and then I can make sure everything's untwisted here, and then I can make sure everything is ready to be wrapped again. I keep this clamp here so that I have tension, and I can just wrap it at a faster pace. Keeping it tight. If I get tired, I just take the clamp, put it right where I left off, right down there. And then I can take this part here where it starts to tie up and unravel it. If I want to tie a knot, because I don't want to do anymore, I can do that. But that's just a tip. I hope you can use it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, be crafty. See you on the next one. Bye for now.